We'll guide you through how to add text to path in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Figma users often want to create more creative and professional-looking designs. Text on a path is commonly used for logos, badges, posters, and social media graphics, but many beginners do not know where the feature is located. To add text to a path in Figma, begin by heading over to your desktop and double-clicking the colorful Figma icon to launch the application. Once the program opens, go to your dashboard and open the project file you want to edit. After the file loads, look toward the bottom center of your screen where the main floating toolbar is located. Find the icon shaped like a fountain pen and click it to activate the pen tool. Click once anywhere on your canvas to create your first anchor point. Then click a second time and drag your mouse to create a smooth curved line. When you are happy with the shape of the curve, press the Escape key on your keyboard to stop drawing and return to the default selection tool. Next, locate the capital letter T icon on the bottom toolbar and click the small drop-down arrow beside it. From the menu that appears, select Text on Path to activate the feature. Move your cursor directly over the curved line you created and click once on the path. Immediately begin typing your text, and you will see the words automatically bend and follow the curve of the line. To try another example using a shape, go back to the bottom toolbar, open the Shape tool drop-down, and choose the Ellipse tool. Hold the Shift key while clicking and dragging on the canvas to create a perfect circle. If you want to invert the circle colors for better visibility, press Shift+X on your keyboard. Return to the text icon drop-down and choose Text on Path again. Hover your cursor over the edge of the circle until the outline highlights. Then click directly on it and type a new sentence. Your text will wrap smoothly around the circular path. To reposition the text, drag the small handles at the beginning of the sentence around the edge of the shape. Finally, click the empty gray background and save your synced design safely.